Hey everybody, we're here. We're going to have a really nice healthy lunch, or you could have it for dinner. And we're going to do a healthy living. We offer a healthy living program every month. This month for summer, we're doing a 10-day. So you can eat healthy for 10 days and feel better. And this is just showing kind of what you eat in a healthy setting. So this is simple. Everybody's into Buddha bowls or healthy bowls or whatever. So we've put together how hard is it to do when you're in Kelowna and they have these beautiful vegetables. So it's pretty simple. Put together whatever you want. This was just a green array. So we have some tomatoes, some radishes, some amazing avocado cut by my lovely avocado cutting assistant, Rob Calder. We have some snap peas, radishes, cucumbers, zucchini, carrots, and then we just did some field mix and some lettuce. And then we had some chicken that came from Martin with the chef instead, which is fantastic. We also put together some simple cooked some asparagus, and then we made an amazing ginger citrus dressing. So really easy to put a bowl together. Oh, and we also I cooked up beforehand some very simple brown rice. So Buddha Bowl is pretty simple. You get your rice. What am I gonna have? I'm gonna have a little bit of the field green lettuce. So these programs run 10 days for the summer, because we just find people can commit more to a 10-day period than a 30-day, and then we run a 30-day. Included with the sessions is a private Facebook group. With that, we have meals, shopping lists, and then we include, part of it is your 30 Days to Healthy Living, which is a package with Arbonne with protein and shakes and all kinds of great stuff. But I'm just going to talk about having a really healthy lunch today. So I'm going to add a few cucumbers. I'm going to add some of my amazing avocado. I'm going to add a couple of tomatoes for color. I'm going to add a little bit of the asparagus. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at, oh, beautiful. So I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of this amazing dressing. And that is as simple. Oh, and I have to show my beautiful, ever so beautiful napkins. So that's as simple as it can be. I mean, we made it very, very beautiful today, but it can be that simple, and there's a really healthy lunch for you. So watch out. We're going to talk about the 10 Days to Healthy Living, and watch for our recipes and a couple other things coming next week. Okay, so we're here having a Buddha Bowl healthy lunch. So we're in Kelowna. We came out here to take care of Bob's apartment here. It's kind of cool. And of course we know Rob since he was 3 or 5, I'm not sure how old. And this is Gabby, his lovely girlfriend. And looking about working online from anywhere, and one of the best consumable products that you can work with is Arbonne. So we run a 10 Days to Healthy Living in the summer. So we'll run 10 days in July and 10 days in August. Anybody can join us. 10 days of clean eating. So you stay away from coffee, white refined sugar, gluten, all that processed food. We give you recipes. We give you purchase the package, a smaller package of Arbonne Healthy Living, and then you eat healthy. So one of the things we provide are recipes. So the carrot, ginger dressing. Of course, everything else here is not really a recipe. It's fresh vegetables. But we provide some shake recipes. There's lunch recipes. There's a great Cajun chicken. There's a great cauliflower pizza, all kinds of great stuff that you can do, right? So, and the other thing that people always talk about is coffee or pop if you're big coffee drinkers. So you got to get rid of coffee, right? So what do we do to get rid of coffee? We have an amazing drink. That's the fizz. So you can have a fizz in the morning and fizz in the afternoon. So a lot of people have a shake in the morning, right, Rob? Yep. So a berry shake or whatever. Then you have a little snack in the mid-morning. So we also have a protein bar, but we're also going to make homemade protein bars next week. Just like an idea of what you eat during the day. Then you could have a healthy lunch like this. Another snack in the afternoon with a tizzy or a fizzy. A tizzy is a fizzy and a tea. And then evening you would have maybe a fish or a chicken, whatever. Again, I love that with us for 10 days or 30 days, we give you the shopping list and recipes for the entire week. I love and here's your shopping list on Sunday. I guess the part about eating healthy and trying to stay is like, what do you want to eat? What are you going to eat? Oh, I don't know what to eat. And then you stop and you eat bad food, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So that's an example of what a day in the life of the clean eating, healthy living. And it kind of cleans everything out. You get rid of the gluten. So you get rid of the little doughboy if you have a little, that happening. Yeast belly. Yeah. So that's the program. So this is just part of it. Yeah. So if you want information about it, any of us, you can talk to any of us about it. So that's simply how the Buddha Bowls.
Oh, they're amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, can't beat them.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, and of course, Gabby's vegetarian, so she did not have the chicken, but we have lots of vegetables and we have a lot of avocados.
No.
And of course, we also have some protein too. If Gabby was really wanted, she could have easily fortify and have a little bit of protein added to her shake or just the water because you're lacking protein, right? So she could have a protein shake for dessert, maybe for your snack in the afternoon. Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna enjoy our lunch. Yeah, that's it.